So welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going for waterfall photography. This is my first fall. This is my first fall in this area, and this is the fall behind me. And this is how it looks. My voice will not be that good, but you can see the fall around me, and I'm going to take photos of it. There's a limited way of taking any composition, but let's try out if I can get something good out of it. Okay, so few couple of photos with the different composition of this waterfall are done. Now going for a next waterfall. So I started with my new Sony 24-70 DGTN Art 2 lens, Mark 2 lens, but I bought the lens but I did not have polarizer filter or any other anti-filter, and for the waterfall photography it is mandatory. And anyway, I was using 44mm focal length, so I switched to my Samyang 24mm 1.8 lens. Picture was little fine, but I think I need those polarizer filter for this lens. I did not plan that I will ever get 82mm filter thread lens. I was not planning to buy any Sigma lens, neither old one nor this one. I just wanted to go with 28-75mm Tamron lens, which is 67mm thread, but it seems it doesn't matter. I think it's the old one. Focus motor of this new lens looks to be better. just behind me. Right now people taking their photos, so I'm just waiting for to get this area empty, gone, then I'll take my photo. Let's see how this work out. Did I dump my 24 to 70 Sigma lens going with semi-out because I'm having because I'm having a CPL filter with this, so I'll wait for people to go and then I'll go with the downward now, and I'll take back all the boulders in my way, all the way there, and see if I can see something there. People have gone, I'm alone, so hopefully I will be able to take the photos again. Same river and another section of waterfall. Here I'm going to take another photo. It's so noisy because of the waterfall and also the people coming around. So it is very difficult for me to find the composition and to speak, to blog about it. So waterfall. I think this will be the final one. It's quite big. So I have to go all the way down and deep. So hopefully this should be my last photo of this waterfall hunt, this adventure. This should be my last photo of this adventure. Okay, so my big lens did not help me here to cut because I did not have CPL.